Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll show you some cool things we can do with backgrounds using CSS. I'm going to demonstrate how to change the background color, create a linear gradient, and use an image as our background. Let's take a less than h1 tag with some text, it may be learning CSS. And a less than p tag with some dummy text. Begin by selecting the entire body using the body keyword. Then, make a simple adjustment by modifying the background color property according to your preferred color. For example, let's go with the light blue color. For a stylish gradient effect, use the background property with the value linear gradient. Inside the parentheses, add two or more colors like light gray and light blue. Each color separated by comma. To include an additional color, simply add the name of the color after the comma. In this case, the color will be tomato. In this way, you can add more colors. To customize the gradient's direction, you have the option to include specific keywords in parentheses before the colors. For example, you can use to top, to bottom, to left, or to right. The color on our web page is repeating, and we need to fix it. To prevent the background from repeating, set the background repeat property to no repeat. If you want the background to stay fixed even while scrolling, use the background attachment property and set it to fixed. Let's apply these styles to the h1 header tag and the p tag. Just copy the code and paste it below in the h1 and p tags. Now move further. I have an image that I downloaded from the internet. For an image background, use the background image property with the value URL followed by the file name or external URL of the image. In our case, image name is img.jpg. To resize and position the image, you can use the same properties which we used for gradients like background repeat, background attachment. To make the image responsive, set the background size property to cover. The background image is scaled to cover the entire content area. That's it. With CSS, you can create amazing backgrounds by setting the color, gradient, or image. In future videos, I will teach you how to make images more responsive in a detailed and easy to understand manner. We will also cover other related topics to help you enhance your image skills. Stay tuned to learn more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.